Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Stihl weed eater parts is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your Stihl trimmer running at peak performance, ensuring that you can tackle overgrown lawns and stubborn weeds with efficiency and ease. When your trusty Stihl weed eater starts to falter, it's not just an inconvenience, it's a sign that vital parts may need attention or replacement. From the trimmer head and line to the spark plug, air filter, and fuel system components, each piece plays a critical role in the overall operation and longevity of your equipment, and selecting the right replacements is paramount for maintaining that signature Stihl power and reliability. Number 5. FourShow 100 PCS Plastic Replacement Blades for Stihl Trimmers. Introducing a pack of 100 durable plastic replacement blades. These are designed to be a perfect fit for your grass trimmer. These blades are compatible with Stihl Polycut and FSA models, as well as Sun Joe and Redback trimmers. They are a direct replacement for OEM part 40080071000. Crafted from high-quality PA6 nylon, these blades offer excellent durability. For extended longevity, we recommend soaking them in warm water overnight before use. These blades are perfect for tackling everyday grass and thin brush. They provide a clean cut for a well-maintained lawn. Enjoy long-lasting performance with this generous pack of 100 blades. Keep your trimmer running efficiently with these reliable replacements. Replacing your trimmer blades is simple with these easy-to-install plastic options. Get back to trimming in no time. What we like. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your trimmer running, this is a great option. It comes with a generous 100 blades, ensuring you won't run out anytime soon. These are best suited for general grass and light brush, making them ideal for routine lawn maintenance. What people say. This aftermarket blade replacement seems to function well enough. They fit perfectly and I have no problem getting them in and out of my FSA 57 trimmer. These work great, so many in a pack. They fit perfect, and serve the purpose. Number 4. Poweka 5-pack primer bulb for string trimmers. Ensure your string trimmer runs smoothly with these high-quality primer bulbs. They are designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. These primer bulbs are compatible with a wide range of popular brands, including Stihl, Echo, and Homelight. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. With specific dimensions for height, flange diameter, and bulb diameter, you can be confident in a precise fit for your equipment. This pack is designed to work with numerous string trimmer and blower models, making it a versatile choice for your maintenance needs. This package includes 5 primer bulbs, offering great value and ensuring you have spares on hand when you need them. These are non-original aftermarket parts, providing a cost-effective solution without compromising on functionality. What we like. For those who need to ensure their trimmer starts reliably, this pack of 5 primer bulbs is a smart choice. They are designed to fit a wide range of Stihl and other major brand trimmers, offering a perfect replacement for worn-out parts. If you're experiencing starting issues, replacing the primer bulb is a common and effective solution. What people say. Easy to install, my weed trimmer functioned great after I replace it. The quality is good because I hadn't replaced it in the past 2 years. The primer bulbs seem to be well made and thus a good value for the price I paid. They fit the 2 carburetors I have and appear to have established a good seal. What I particularly like about these are that there are no seams running over the hemisphere of the bulb. These were easy to install and fit well. They are working well. Number 3. Stihl 25-2 Trimmer Head Rebuild Kit. Is your trimmer head worn out? Bring it back to life with this comprehensive rebuild kit. It's designed to get your equipment running smoothly again. This kit includes everything you need for a full repair. You'll find a new spool, cover, spring, and essential line feed eyelets. Specifically engineered for Stihl 25-2 models, this kit ensures a perfect fit. Get the right parts for your specific trimmer. Crafted with durability in mind, these replacement parts are built to last. You can count on them to withstand tough outdoor jobs. Replacing your trimmer head components is straightforward with this kit. Get back to trimming your yard quickly and efficiently. Don't let a worn trimmer head slow you down. This rebuild kit will help maintain the performance of your trusted outdoor equipment. What we like. If your trimmer head is showing signs of wear and tear, this rebuild kit is exactly what you need. It includes all the crucial parts like the spool, cover, spring, and eyelets to get your cutting head back in top condition. This is perfect for users who want to restore their trimmer's performance without buying a whole new head. What people say. The Stihl weed eater parts are a perfect fit for my FS55 model, ensuring seamless operation. These parts are made of durable material, showing excellent wear resistance even after extensive use. Installation was straightforward, and the parts performed exactly as expected, maintaining the trimmer's efficiency. Number 2. FS55R Air Filter Fuel Line Tune-Up Kit for Stihl. This tune-up kit is designed for a perfect fit with your Stihl FS38, FS45, FS46, and FS55 series trimmers and brush cutters. It also ensures a perfect fit for your Stihl KM55 series combi motors, providing all the necessary parts for maintenance. Keep your Stihl HL45 hedge trimmer in top condition with this precisely fitting tune-up kit. No special skills are needed for installation, as it directly replaces part numbers like C1Q, S66 and 414120-0612. Get great value with this kit, which includes 2 air filters, 2 fuel lines, 2 fuel filters, 2 primer bulbs, and 2 spark plugs. These parts offer the same quality as OEM parts but at a much more affordable price, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly. What we like. For a comprehensive maintenance solution, this tune-up kit is hard to beat. It bundles an air filter, fuel line, primer bulb, and spark plug, covering all the essential components for a tune-up. If you own a compatible Stihl FS55 or similar model and want to perform a full service, this kit offers excellent value and convenience. What people say. Fuel lines, air and fuel filters all were easy to install. Everything looked just as it should and fitment was identical to the original. Put the new spark plug, primer bulb, and air filter in my Stihl F45 string trimmer, and now it runs much better. Number 1. Parts for Outdoor Stihl 25-2 Spool Bump Head Caps. Tired of your trimmer not working? These replacement spool caps are designed to get your equipment running smoothly again. This pack includes 12 weed trimmer cap spools, ensuring you have plenty on hand for multiple uses or replacements. These are designed to directly replace OEM part numbers 385-563 and 385-861. They are compatible with the AutoCut 25-2 system. They fit a wide range of Stihl trimmer head models, including the FS44, FS55, FS80, FS83, FS85, and many more. You can trust the quality as these spools are manufactured and shipped right here in the USA. What we like. If you frequently use your Stihl trimmer and go through spool heads, this bulk pack is for you. It includes 12 direct replacement spool bump heads for the AutoCut 25-2 system, ensuring you always have a spare ready. Manufactured in the USA, these offer a reliable solution for continuous trimming needs. What people say. The holes for the string are perfectly sized and fit my Stihl FS85. Great replacements for the OEM. Already have string starting holes pre-drilled unlike other brands. This bump head fits perfectly on my AutoCut 25-2, very durable. I use my Stihl FS110 or about 20 hours a week. And the spool lasts me about 40 to 50 hours before I have to replace it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.